Today we are going to change the oil of the gearbox. Hi, welcome to Every Joe's Garage. Today we are going to change the oil of the gearbox of the BMW R1150RT. This is a very simple procedure that I will recommend you to do it yourself, and that way you save a little bit of money. We're going to start by removing the drain plug that is in the right side of the motorcycle. And after we have drained the oil, we're going to remove also the plug of the filling plug of the gearbox oil. We are going to start by releasing the pressure of the plugs, so it will be much easier to work with the motorcycle. In this procedure, we're going to use a number 8 millimeter Allen key or Allen tool on a crowbar. Okay. We are going only do not release the pressure. We are going to remove the plug yet. Now we are going to drain the oil from the gearbox. To do that, the drain plug is recessed in this cavity on the motorcycle. So we are going to use a piece of carton from the oil filter to put it over here, so it doesn't drain all over the motorcycle. It is a good idea, or it is recommended, that to take the motorcycle for a ride before doing the maintenance, so the oil gets to operating temperature, so it gets more liquid. While it's draining, I'm going to remove now the filling plug, so it'll flow easier. Both plugs, the filling and the drain plugs, use cross washers. You should replace the cross washers. Both the drain plug and the filling plug, you should clean them thoroughly. Watch if there are metal fibers on them, and install on them new cross washers. The cross washers came on the kit that I mentioned to you in previous video. You can see the link below from Beamer's Boatyard. The oil that we're going to put on the gearbox is a full synthetic gear lubricant 75W9. It is highly recommended to use this oil, and I will talk about a little bit about oil now. The BMW manuals call for 80W90, and everybody recommended me to use a Spectral motorcycle high pot gear lubricant GL5. However, when I got this from the website that I bought it, I noticed considerable difference between the Spectral 4 that I received for the engine oil. The bottles are so much different that I was reluctant to put it on my motorcycle. So I want to study a little more. Experienced people told me not to use this oil but use full synthetic. So I'm going for the full synthetic one. The gearbox uses 1 liter of oil, not 1 quart, that is 950 cc's, but 1 full liter, which is 1000 cc's. So I have to put this full bottle and a little more. I have waited for the gearbox to drain, and I'm going to place the plug back on the gearbox. Once I have placed the plug hand plate tight, the plug on the motorcycle, I can remove my hinge or whatever that I put there, and I will clean now the hole so I don't have oil all over my motorcycle. Now I'm going to proceed to tie the drain plug at 30 Newton meters of 22.1 foot-pound-feet of torque. That's all. Now I'm going to proceed to fill the gearbox with the oil. Once I have placed the oil on the gearbox, the amount called by the manuals, I should place the filling plug with a new cross washer and tighten it to 30 Newton meters of 22.1 foot-pound. And that's all to it. It's a simple, quick maintenance that you can do yourself to the motorcycle. If you like these videos and you find them useful to you, subscribe to the channel. Give me your comment below. Tell me what you want to see in these videos. And I will highly recommend those recommendations, because those are the ones that tell you what you want to see. Have a good day, and until the next video.